Hi guys, something new is cooking. We are installing the 2020 version of the EFIS, the EGTs, CHTs, oil pressures and oil temperatures and all that sort of stuff are in place. RPM sensors and so on and so on. But the beauty of the things, what I'm going to show you is this very high quality tablet. This is a 1000 NIT tablet, so sunlight readable, plus a huge GSM antenna. So I don't think you're gonna be lost due to signal failure, and that is going to build into the Zodiac, which is look like this, and I'm just waiting for some updates on this tablet. It's a huge, very rigid, very solid tablet with some of the function buttons, and it's Android. And the price is not bad, and it's definitely sunlight readable. Take care.